Why this sense of urgency and spending a lot of time with letter sounds? There's such a sense of urgency because we need to train students' brains to read. Um, in the left hemisphere of the brain, in the student's occipital lobe, there's a tiny box called the visual word form area. And that is an area at birth when students take in, or babies take in information and they recognize faces. Well, our jobs as educators is to get to rewire the brain, that tiny box in that occipital lobe, the visual word form area, from reading faces to reading print. And when we see a person's face or we see an object like a stapler, I can turn the stapler on this up and down. I can turn it on its side. I can turn it upside down, and it's still a stapler. So that area in our brain is used to items being turned, changed, moved around, and it's still the same item. Well, when we introduce print, we need to provide multiple exposures and we need to explain to students that a letter is actually fixed. If we flip it, that changes the grapheme. So that is why we need to rewire the brain and provide multiple exposures to letters and explicitly teaching that letters have a fixed position, because we're rewiring the visual word form area from recognizing faces to recognizing print.